Hi all the students of Narayana 9th standard. Today here I am in front of you all to discuss the topic work power energy, assignment number 23. In this assignment, let us see the first question which is given to you all. The first question which is given to you all is: a man does 200 joules of work in 10 seconds and a boy does it in 100 joules of work in 4 seconds. Who is delivering more power? So what is the thing which you have to calculate over here? You have to calculate power. Now let us go with solving this question. In this question, if you are trying to solve, you will be getting the ratios of these two powers. You will know who is doing more, who is using more power. So actually power formula is work done by time, and this in terms of man I am going to talk, and this power formula which I am going to use over here is also work done by time, and this in terms of boy I will be talking. Okay, now in terms of man, how much work has been done, I am going to calculate it like this. P is equals to, actually work done by the man is 200 joules of work is done. In how much time it is done? In 10 seconds it is done. So I will be substituting that values. So 200 joules by time is 10 seconds. So if I cancel, I am going to get power is equals to 20 watt. And coming to the next one, the boy's power, if you would like to calculate, the boy power is going to be like this. Now the boy power is P is equals to, how much of work he has done? Work which the boy has done is 100 joules. By how much time did he take to finish his work? He took 4 seconds. So 4 ones are 4 25s are, so 25 watts. So power utilized by boy is 25 watts to complete his work in 4 seconds. Now if you observe the boy power and man power, you can observe this is man's power and this is boy's power. Whose power is more? Obviously 25 is a bigger number, so the boy's power is more. Your option is 2. Next, hope this is helpful. Let us go for next question. Okay, now let us talk about this second question, which is very interesting. The power of a pump is given. So the data which is given over here is power of a pump is given as 2 kilowatts, and he wants you what is the amount of water which is being taken up or raised to a certain height. Okay, what height it is? 10 meters. In 1 minute, how much it has done? See, he wants amount of water. If you observe here clearly, what does this person in this question is actually expecting you is, he is expecting how much of amount of water it can rise. It can rise to a height of 10 meters in how much time? In 1 minute. Now how much power did he utilize? How much power the motor utilized? Power the motor utilized is 2 kilowatts. Now okay, now anyway you have to find out the mass of the water. That means amount of water means mass of water I want. So let us solve this. P is equals to, again work done by time. So work done in lifting a certain object to a certain height is nothing but mgh, which is work over here is mgh by T. So mgh in the sense, from here if you would like to get the mass, simply you will do m is equals to P into T by gh, right? Now what you are going to do, P is given in 2 kilowatts, so I will write it as P is equals to 2 kilowatts, which is nothing but, in terms of watts you can write it as 2 into 10 power 3 watts, because kilo is nothing but 10 power 3. Okay, now what you are going to do? Yeah, you will substitute it. So P is nothing but 2 into 10 power 3. Yeah, now time is 1 minute. 1 minute means 60 seconds. Okay, 60 seconds. But I am converting it into SIs all. So 10 meter per second square. Height is also 10. We gave you height is also 10. Gravity is also taken as 10 meter per second square. Acceleration due to gravity. Now, if you calculate this, how much you're going to get? You're going to get 10 power 3 is nothing but 2 into 60 by 100. 2 zeros, 2 zeros. You will be getting somewhat around 1200. Right? So you will be having 1200. Now, which option it is? Fourth option. So M is 1200 kg. M is 1200 kg. So it is option number 4. Hope this is helpful. Let us go with the next question. Now, in this third question, an engine develops 10 kilowatts of power. How much time it took to lift a mass? There is a small mistake. Instead of take, you have to take took. To lift a mass of 200 kgs to a height of 10 meters. Again, there is a mistake. That is not 10 meters height, it is 40 meters height. Okay, let us try to correct it, and then we will do the sum. 40, this is 40 meters height. Okay, correction is done. We will go with the sum solution. Yeah, right, fine. Now here, engine develops 10 kilowatts of power. So the power is given, P is equals to 10 kilowatt, which you can write it as 10 into 10 power 3 watt. Right? And what? How much time? Here, what he is requiring? He is not requiring mass, he is not requiring power. He is only expecting you to tell how much time is it going to take. Now let us try to find how much time it is going to take. Okay, to lift a mass of 200 kg. Okay, mass is equals to 200 kg to a height of 40 meters. So h is equals to 40 meters and g is going to be equal to 10 meter per second. Now, if we try to solve this problem, we are going to get, from here you need time. So okay, from the formula P is equals to work done by time. So work done by lifting an object to a certain height is nothing but mgh by t. Now I want my t over there, because actually work is not given directly. You can find work done from this mgh formula. So I need time actually. So t is equals to, you send the t that side, you will get mgh by p. So what is my m over here? I want t. My m over here is 200 kg. 200 kg into my gravity, acceleration due to gravity, I have to take 10, not 9.8. Kids, not 9.8, it is 10 into my height, not my height. The height of the engine which it is helping it to rise is 40 meters. So 40 by power how much they gave? 10 kilowatt. So 10 kilowatt, I am going to write it as 10 into 10 power 3 watt. I will convert it into SI, right? Okay, converted it into SI. Now let me see how much you will be getting if you solve this. If you solve this, you will be getting 8. So okay, we'll write it completely. 200 into 10, we'll write it as 2000 into 40 by 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, now we'll cut 3, 3. 80 by 10. You're going to get 80 by 10 is nothing but 8. So 8 seconds. Hope this is helpful. Now this is the third option. So it is 8 seconds. Corrected, it is 40 meters height. If it is 10, you would get 2 seconds. I think so, somewhat around. Option is not going to be there. Correct this. Your height is 40 meters. Okay, hope this is helpful. Let us meet in the next assignment. Until then, bye.